How to remove calcium deposits from a fountain. Like anything else, your fountain needs proper care and maintenance to ensure that it works properly. Calcium from chemicals naturally found in tap water can build up, causing an unsightly eyesore on your once elegant fountain. Give your fountain a thorough cleaning once every 4 months to remove any mineral deposits. Following a few simple steps will extend the life of your fountain and keep it operating correctly for many enjoyable years. Things you will need: non-abrasive sponge, calcium line remover, vinegar, bucket, toothbrush, distilled water. Turn the water off and remove any rocks, pebbles or other decorative pieces that may be inside your fountain. Toss out any debris such as leaves, twigs, and insects from within your fountain. Clean the inside of the fountain. Using a soft, non-abrasive sponge, scrub the inside of the fountain with a calcium line remover. You can also use a mixture of vinegar and water to remove calcium deposits. Remove the pump from the fountain and disassemble it. Calcium buildup can collect inside the pump, reducing its overall performance. Let the pump soak overnight in a bucket filled with vinegar or calcium line remover. Allowing the pump to soak will help break up the calcium buildup and make cleaning easier. Use a toothbrush if necessary to help scrub away tough calcium deposits. Completely rinse the inside of your fountain and pump with distilled water. Make sure to remove any residue that may have been left behind by the calcium line remover or vinegar. Tips: warnings. Use rain or distilled water inside your fountain instead of tap water. Unlike tap water, neither rain nor distilled water contain chemicals that can build up in your fountain and pump.